Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust time Datejust step by step. Pull the crown gently to the first position to wind and to the second position to set the time. Turn the crown clockwise or counterclockwise depending on your model, and move hands past midnight to change date if needed. Always push and screw the crown back down to preserve water resistance and avoid overwinding. Hold the case steady and pull the crown to the time-setting position, stopping the second hand if your model allows. Slowly rotate the crown to set the hour and minute hands to the exact local time, watching the 12-hour cycle to get AM versus PM correct. If you need to correct the date, advance the hands past midnight once to verify the date change, then return to the required time and secure the crown. Use the Quick Set Date function by pulling the crown to the date-setting position if available, and rotate until the correct date displays. If your movement lacks Quick Set, advance the time past midnight and continue to the correct date. Always avoid changing the date between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. to prevent damaging the date mechanism. Once set, return the crown fully and screw it down to restore water resistance and protect the movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.